have our mud kitchen. It's very simple. It's just some old bits of wood that we weren't using and some old pots and pans and some yummy chocolate pudding pots that we obviously got through quite a few of.
We're doing a cake for our mummy.
And it's even better than baking because there's no clear up involved.
We have to mush it. We don't really want it really hard. We want it a bit squishy.
What are you making?
Chocolate cake.
What are the ingredients?
Mud, water, sawdust.
Whoa, that sounds really tasty.
The sawdust is the sugar, the mud is the chocolate, and the water just makes it a bit mushier. We want it mushy so it's easy to eat. But we're not really going to eat it, we're going to pretend.